what we really want is sales. So this is what we're going to be covering in the Unlimited Traffic Machine, and I'm going to keep this kind of a workshop style. We not be hanging about here too long. This one is really just setting the stage for what all we're going to be covering inside this Unlimited Traffic Machine Masterclass. And I'm just going to share my screen with you here now, and we're going to get up the whiteboard. So this first video in this masterclass is called 7 Steps to Unlimited Income. Okay, because like I says, when we're thinking about the unlimited traffic machine and we want to get visitors to come to see our product or service that we're going to be selling, we don't just want traffic at the end of the day. What we really want is sales. So these are the 7 steps to creating unlimited income. Okay, my friend. So I'm going to go through these steps quite quickly, and then I'm going to explain to you the different types of people who implement these steps at different phases. So the very first thing, maybe you're just getting started and you're brand new and you maybe don't have any of these steps implemented, but that's okay because they're pretty simple, they're pretty straightforward, and hopefully, I don't overwhelm you at all in this video because it's not really that difficult when you learn these kind of steps. So the very first step you want to do when it comes to the 7 steps to unlimited income is you want to pick a niche, okay? And this is going to be a niche that you want to go in and help people solve a particular problem. But don't worry, you don't need to identify like a problem. We're going to identify a product that's going to solve a particular problem or deliver a result. And you can use affiliate products, or if you have your own product, that would be great as well. But really, what we're going to want to do here is pick a niche. And the three main ones is going to be health, wealth, or relationships. And these are the three main big niches that people actually pay money to solve problems in. So people will pay more money to get better health. People will pay more money to learn how to make more money. People will pay more money to fix relationships and things like this here. So that's number one step is you want to identify a niche, okay? And you want to identify a niche that you can be passionate about. So that's number one step. Number two is you want to identify product or service, okay? And this is how you're going to make money. This is how we make money, okay? We're going to make money every time someone buys our product or service, okay? And this can be, I'm not sure if you're just getting started, like you can go into affiliate marketing, you can find an affiliate product, you can be in network marketing, maybe you have a network marketing product already, or it could be your own local business and you could be selling your own products and services through your local business. So identify your product or service that you're going to sell, okay? Now this is the third step. A lot of people tend to miss this step out, especially if you're brand new and you're just getting started. And the third step is implement strategic positioning, okay? And this is a step that a lot of people tend to miss out. And I'm going to share with you that strategic positioning inside this first video of the masterclass. And the fourth step is a step that most people, when they get started online, like I said, they'll just tend to go for this step and then they'll do this step, which is get traffic. And this is traffic is basically visitors to see your offer. Okay. So most people, beginners and things like that, when we get started online, we tend to just go find a product that we're going to sell. Maybe it's on ClickBank, maybe it's somewhere else, maybe it's a network marketing product, like I said. We tend to go find a product and then we go looking for visitors to come and view our product and hopefully buy. But we tend to miss out that third step, which is implementing strategic positioning. Okay. Now, the fourth step would be getting traffic. Okay. And we want to send our traffic to our strategically implemented positioning. Okay. And that is going to sell our product for us. Okay. And I'm going to share that with you here in this video. Number five step is optimizing, hyper optimize conversions. Okay. And we're going to look into that a little bit later as well. But you want to hyper optimize your conversions. Number six step is something that I only really started learning about not that long ago, but it's really, I'm going to share it with you here now. It's called data aggregation, data aggregation. And this is where we can, create different pools of data and then feed it back into our traffic. Okay. And it's super effective, and it's going to multiply your results when you understand data aggregation. Okay. So the next and final step is, once you have identified your product, you've got your strategic positioning, you're getting traffic, and you're hyper optimized through for conversions, and you're aggregating your data. The last step that you want to do is you want to scale big, scale big. So this is the 7 steps to unlimited income.
The future of your business starts now. Get the Unlimited Business Machine Masterclass. Go to Cameronlimitless.com and become limitless.